So this model is also good for you to look at all the other structures of the heart that we talked about. But here you can see how we have a little bit more of blood vessels coming on top of the heart. So the first branch, so this is the aortic arch. The first branch off of the aortic arch is the brachiocephalic artery or brachiocephalic trunk. Then the second one, like we said, is the left common carotid artery. And the third one is the left subclavian artery. Now, if we have a left common carotid artery and a left subclavian artery, where are the right common carotid artery and the right subclavian? They are going to branch off of the brachiocephalic artery or brachiocephalic trunk. So this one would be the right common carotid artery, and this is the right subclavian. Always remember that if it's going up to your brain, like these are common carotid arteries. If it's coming over here sideways and will be going to your brachial, so your arm, then these are the subclavian. So if these red are arteries, therefore the blue are going to be veins. And the same way, if we have the left and right subclavian arteries, we have the left and right subclavian veins. Now the carotid ones, we do not have a carotid vein. The one that corresponds to the carotid is the jugular. Therefore, these are going to be the internal jugular veins. So this would be the left internal jugular vein, and this would be the right internal jugular vein. So the jugular vein together with the subclavian come together to form the brachiocephalic. So the same thing here, the right internal jugular vein together with the right subclavian vein forms the right brachiocephalic, and the brachiocephalic come together to form the superior vena cava. Now, one thing that is important for you to notice is that we only have one brachiocephalic artery, but we have two brachiocephalic veins. Therefore, the brachiocephalic artery cannot be called a right brachiocephalic artery because we just have one of them. So it's only called brachiocephalic artery or brachiocephalic trunk.